Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Trovo microphone or audio problems while streaming on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, take microphone permission, go to settings on phone and then search for Trovo account app. Then make sure microphone access is turned on. Without this permission, Trovo can't use your mic. Next, check your iPhone microphone. Try recording a short voice to see if your mic is working. Also, make sure the microphone area is not covered by your hands or phone case. Now check audio settings inside the Trovo app. Open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings or stream settings and make sure the microphone is enabled and not mute. After that, disconnect Bluetooth device. If you are using Bluetooth headphones or speakers, try turning Bluetooth off. Sometimes audio gets routed to wrong device. Next, restart the Trovo app. Close the app completely by swiping it away. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. If the problem continues, delete and reinstall the Trovo app. Press and hold the Trovo app icon. Tap remove app, then delete app. Reinstall it from the app store and set your stream again. Finally, check Trovo server app issues. Sometimes audio problem happen due to temporary service issues, so waiting can help. And that's it. This is step to fix Trovo microphone or audio problem while streaming on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.